channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I just want to do a quick shout out to my grandmother for teaching me this recipe. I used to eat this meal growing up and it was delicious. I loved it. I still love it, and now I just want to the world so you guys can have a taste also. So if you want to learn how to make it, just keep watching. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Here I have 1 cilantro, 1 Roma tomato, 4 celery sticks, 1 red bell pepper, 1 Mexican squash, 1 chayote, 1 whole onion, 4 garlic cloves, thyme, potatoes. I used about 4 carrots, Salvadoreña crema, and 1 jalapeno. Of course, you're gonna need your chicken. You can use wings, breasts, thighs, whatever you want to use, but I'm using drumsticks today. También voy a poner todo en español escrito abajo de este video. So no te preocupes, voy a tener todo escrito abajo del video. So here we have our chicken, and I'm just cleaning my chicken with vinegar and orange. Aquí tengo mi pollo y lo estoy limpiando con 2 naranjas y vinagre. The way my granny taught me how to clean my chicken, she would tell me to take the skin off, but today I want some skin on, so I'm gonna leave the skin on. But if you don't want the skin on, just take it off. Te dije, si quieres el piel del pollo, lo puedes dejar. Si no lo quieres, lo puedes quitar, como lo estoy enseñando así. This is a good trick my granny taught me. If the skin isn't coming off, you can use a clean dry napkin and then just pull it off with the napkin. It's gonna come off so easy. So here in the next clip is the difference between the chicken with the skin and the chicken without the skin. After my chicken is clean, I'm going to just disinfect my sink, because with the same sink I'm going to clean all my veggies. Y solo estoy limpiando con jabón y ajax porque aquí voy a limpiar mis vegetales. So quiero que todo esté limpio. Here I have all my veggies that I'm about to cut up, and I am cleaning them, rinsing them off, and letting them strain in a strainer. Estoy limpiando todos mis vegetales que voy a cortar al momento. Cuando las limpies, lo vas a poner que se escuran y que toda la agua se escura. Okay, here I am cutting up my cilantro, my Roma tomato, my 4 celery sticks, my 1 onion, my 4 garlic cloves. I always cut my onion last because I don't want it to burn my eyes. So if you don't see it here, don't get worried. Make sure you cut that onion. Y aquí estoy cortando todos mis vegetales. Estamos cortando mi apio, la cebolla, la ajo, la cilantro, el tomate, mi chile rojo y el tobillo. Todo eso, cuando lo cortamos, lo vamos a echar al olla. When cooking your chicken, you want to cook your chicken for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium to low heat. That is because you want your chicken to be tender and cook through. The longer you let your chicken sit, the longer you let your chicken cook, the more thicker the cream is going to be on the chicken. Cuando cocinas tu pollo, lo vas a cocinar por 30 a 40 minutos en mediano, porque quieres que el crema del pollo se hace espeso. Ok, si la dejas más tiempo en el olla cociendo, se va a hacer más espeso. A mí me gusta cuando la crema está espeso, se lo dejo mucho tiempo. Now we are going to get a pot ready, add some butter, add some thyme, let it heat up. When the butter starts to turn brown, that's when we're gonna add in all our veggies and saute them. I did add a couple of bay leaves. Aquí calenté una olla y eché mantequilla, el tobillo y 3 hojas de orel. That is everything we cut: our cilantro, bell pepper, onion, thyme, celery. You're gonna add that into the pot, stir it up, saute it for a couple of minutes. Y aquí vamos a cocinar todos los vegetales por unos minutos. Yo creo unas 2-3 minutos y ya. Y después vamos a echar el pollo. So here I am making way for the chicken. I'm just gonna put the veggies to the side and pop the chicken in that pan. Y aquí hice un lado los vegetales y metí el pollo. Here I am seasoning the chicken. Everything will be listed down in the description, but I gave you guys a visual so you guys could just see, the packs I used, so you guys won't be confused in the comments. Todos los pimientas que usé lo voy a poner abajo de este video. Now you're gonna add in your jalapeno. Just cut it down the middle. I like a kick to it, so I usually just cut it down the middle. Aquí corté un jalapeño, pero la corté en medio porque a mí me gusta que pica mi sopa. Cuando lo pongo entero no pica mucho. So I added about under 3 cups of water, hot water at that, because you want your chicken to stay tender. Aquí eché como 2.5 vasos de agua caliente. So as soon as your water comes to a boil, you want to add your potatoes and some more thyme. Cuando tu agua empieza a hervir, le vas a echar los papas y le vas a echar más tomillo. Make sure you're moving your chicken around just to ensure the flavor. So I'm just moving it around and I let it sit for about 10 minutes before I started adding in the cream. Lo dejé cocer por 10 minutos y después de los 10 minutos eché toda la crema. Here I added both of my bottles of cream into the pot and I'm just stirring it around. Aquí eché los 2 botes de crema. Added in some more chicken bouillon and some sazon. I'm gonna put a picture here. So like I said, my granny taught me this recipe. She never used specific measurements. She would just season it and just taste as she goes. So that's what I do. I season and then I taste as I go. If it needs something, then I just add more of it. Here I cut up 4 carrots and my chayote. Aquí corté 4 zanahorias y mi chayote. You want to go ahead and add all of that into your pot. Después vas a echar todo eso a tu olla. I did add more cilantro also into my pot. También corté más cilantro y la eché a la olla. There you go. You're going to cook for 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat, covered. Ahí ya está. Ahí lo vas a dejar cocer por 30 a 40 minutos.